Before leaving Paris, the three gluten-free people on the tour had to find some gluten-free croissants. From Paris, we got on a bus and went to Angers, but on the way we stopped in Châteaudun, and we were supposed to see in the chateau there some Renaissance tapestries. Unfortunately, the chateau was having a big festival on the weekends on either end, and they had completely disallowed us from seeing any of the tapestries. They said it was impossible. So we did not get to see those, but we did see the beautiful chateau, imposing chateau, and we had a lovely lunch before continuing on the bus to Angers. After stopping at another atelier, we finally made it into Angers, and this is what it looks like with 12 people schlepping their own luggage several blocks uphill because the bus they sent to take us from Paris to Angers was quite large for 12 people. It was a full-size coach and couldn't navigate the narrow streets up to the hotel.